Talking about ergonomics and ease of use. LightTouch's lightweight, turbine drill-inspired handpiece offers unparalleled comfort and maneuverability. Combined with its user-friendly touchscreen interface and customizable presets, LightTouch streamlines our workflow and ensures consistent, reliable results with every procedure. The LightTouch is a high-powered erbium, yttrium, aluminum, and garnet YAG laser system designed for a variety of dental procedures. Let's take a look at the technical specifications of the LightTouch. The system is classified as a Class 4 laser, meaning it's a high-powered laser that can cause serious injury if not used properly. It's important to be properly trained and certified in the use of Class 4 lasers before operating one. The LightTouch has a wavelength of up to 700 microns and a pulse frequency of up to 8.4 watts at 10 to 50 Hz. The pulse repetition rate is dependent on the selected mode, but it can range from 0.2 to 1.3 milliseconds. The system weighs approximately 55 pounds and has dimensions of 37 by 47 by 79 cm screen extended and 37 by 47 by 64 cm screen included. LightTouch tips. The LightTouch is compatible with a wide variety of tips, ranging in diameter from 200 to 1300 microns. These tips offer different levels of access to different areas of the mouth. The laser ablated tissue surface, or spot size, corresponds to the tip's diameter. Handpieces. The LightTouch comes in both left-handed and right-handed configurations. It also offers a variety of handpieces, including straight handpieces, angled handpieces, and special tips. Straight handpieces. The straight handpiece is the most common type of handpiece used with the LightTouch. It is available in a variety of tip sizes, including blade, side firing, and endo tips. Angled handpiece. The angled handpiece is designed for use in hard-to-reach areas of the mouth. It is available in a variety of tip sizes, including implant, chisel, and magnum tips. Special tips. The LightTouch also offers a variety of special tips, including implant tips, chisel tips, and magnum tips. These tips are designed for specific procedures, such as implant placement, bone surgery, and frenectomy. The LightTouch is FDA cleared and CE marked, meaning it meets the safety and efficacy standards of the United States Food and Drug Administration (FDA) and the European Union (EU). The LightTouch laser is a versatile and powerful laser system that can be used for a variety of dental procedures. With its wide variety of tips and handpieces, the LightTouch can be customized to meet the needs of any dentist. In conclusion, my fellow dental professionals, the LightTouch YAG dental laser isn't just a tool, it's a beacon of innovation and progress in our field. Together, let's embrace the future of dentistry and continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Experience the LightTouch difference and join us on this extraordinary journey. ABA Technologies is the authorized partner of LightTouch Erbium YAG laser in India. Get in touch with us now to procure yours. Introducing easy payment and EMI payment options. Call us now.